Welcome back to Patio Kits Direct. Today we're going to go over one of the most common questions that we have. What is the difference between insulated and non-insulated? Both versions of these covers provide a full 100% shade and keeps water from coming into the middle of the patio. The first product that we're going to look at is our insulated. It is a 3-inch foam core panel. It has a planking for the aesthetics of it. They come in 4 foot wide by whatever projection coming away from the house. The second product is our most popular, most common bought product, and that's our solid Newport, solid non-insulated product. It has a very similar aesthetic as the non-insulated. It is an open corrugation, so you gotta kind of determine, the benefits of each one. The insulated is a walkable surface, not for like a deck or tables and chairs for a party up there. But it is a walkable surface. Some people like that for 2 stories for like painting the house or cleaning the windows. The non-insulated, it also is a surface that you can get up on, but you have to distribute it with a piece of particle board either up near the house or the header beam at the front, but never over the center. It really wasn't meant to support that. So if you come a little bit closer, let's take a look from underneath of the insulated roof panel. Both systems do come with a gutter system at the front end of it. Do you see the planking? They snap together versus locking together. A lot of people ask that. It has a male-female kind of locking system. And then over here is our non-insulated. Again, if you take a look, very similar in aesthetics. Me personally, on my own house, I went with the non-insulated because, well, shade is shade. And you have to make that determination for yourself. So we just wanted to go over the verses of insulated versus non-insulated, kind of show you a little bit closer up the difference between the 2 products. Any questions you may have, please call us at 888-851-8351. Thank you.